Hi, it's Darin Eppich. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you like the content you see, please subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, smash the like button. If there's any information you want to see in the future about the LA real estate market, please comment below or contact me directly. Love to hear your feedback. Today we'll be discussing whether or not it's good or bad for the stock market and the housing market that Joe Biden became president. Generally, when there's a shift from Republican to Democrat or Democrat to Republican, there's a change in markets. Hey guys, just so you know, I am a luxury realtor with Sotheby's on Sunset. I always want to keep you guys up to date with what's going on in the housing market. This kind of continues on from my discussion in October about whether Trump or Biden wins. And I thought it'd be valuable to talk about the stock market as well, since it's been in the news so much lately. As stated before, we will be going into whether or not it's good or bad for the stock market and the housing market that Joe Biden won. I will give you an idea of the stocks that we think will grow based on what's going on, as well as we'll go into the LA housing market and the prediction for 2021 moving forward. First, the stock market. When Joe Biden was elected president November 13th, the Dow Jones, which is kind of an indicator for the stock market, was closer to 30,000. When he became president and it was inaugurated on January 20th, it almost hit 32,000, a record high for the Dow Jones. Recently, it's subdued a little bit to almost 30,000, but in general, they believe that with Biden's agenda, that a lot of experts believe it'll be a stronger stock market, and we will see economic growth in 2021 and going forward. You do have some mixed experts, but you also, I've seen even experts say that it could go up as high as 35,000, the Dow, with Joe Biden as president. A number of things that could play into the factor of whether or not the actual market will continue to grow. Right now, we're still in COVID, we're in a pandemic, and if his rollout plan for the vaccination doesn't come through quickly like he's hoping for, you will see the economic growth take a while to return to normalcy. If we can get the vaccine out and get the COVID under control, a lot of experts believe that the market, economy, stock market, etc., will grow quicker and we will come out of this better. One sector that you can expect to grow and has been growing already since the year started is electric vehicles. Tesla has been a name for, years as the story brand behind electric vehicles, but this is also filtered out to a number of other different companies. Under Biden's administration, he wants to incentivize auto manufacturers with tax incentives to build more electric vehicles. Also, he wants to replace his federal fleet of 650,000 vehicles to electric from fuel. He wants to change all school buses, or 500,000 school buses, from fuel to electric. So this is going to make a huge boom, and already has. We've seen an increase in stock values for a lot of these companies that are associated with electric vehicles. So I'm going to give you 5 stocks that I kind of picked that I've noticed have always been in the headlines or are trending as of lately. First is Tesla. Tesla's been in the news for years, but to give you an idea, they're like the story brand of electric vehicles. Year to date, they have, since January 1st, they're up 17.25%. But in the last year, they're up 522%. I mean, they've destroyed every expectation. Another stock in mind is GM. GM's been around forever, but they made that huge announcement that they want to make all their vehicles by 2035 electric. They're up 21.8% year to date, and they're up over 51% since the last 12 months. Next one is NIO in China. They have 4 vehicles so far. They just released a new sedan. They are up 23% year to date, and they have been over 1,200% in the past 12 months. And they're looking to compete with the Tesla S. Their new sedan has up to 600-mile range, which is amazing. Another stock that's gone up quite a bit is Ford. They've only announced, I think, the Mach-E SUV, but they have other plans with trucks, etc. They're up 19% since January 1st, and they're up about the same over the last 12 months. So a lot of their growth is recently, and they expect to continue to grow their stock market price. And the last one is Blink Charging. This year they're only up 15%. It's been kind of going up and down, but over the past year they're up over 2,400%. They're a leader in electric charging stations with over 23,000, and they plan to keep growing along with the EV market. Now the housing market. Under the Biden administration, as of right now, we're forecasting nationwide 5% increase in home sale prices, and in LA County 10% this year. Some things to note that could be happening in the future that will impact the marketplace even further is right now Biden is looking to try to approve a $15,000 incentive for first-time buyers. This is huge. This could easily allow people that were thinking or on the cusp of buying to actually purchase a new home. It could help them with the closing costs or the down payment, which a lot of people, reason why they don't buy is because they can't afford to do so or they don't have enough money saved up. On top of that, Biden's administration is looking to reduce the mortgage insurance premiums on FHA loans. This is another huge thing. Also, the market's going to continue to keep going up is because right now, year over year inventory, we're down 41%. On top of that, our interest rates are still at record lows at 2.73% on a 30-year fixed. Now, in regards to interest rates, you can expect it to go up because it kind of has to. I've seen some experts say that it could go as high as 3.5% in the near future, but there's been nothing said yet by the government. You're going to continue to see a strong housing market in 2021. Actually, as of January 2021, the average home sale price in LA County was a little over $700,000, and they're only taking 9 days to get into under contract. So this is showing great signs moving forward, and hopefully he does approve the $15,000 tax incentive for first-time buyers, because that'll allow a lot more people to be able to buy and afford to do so. Very positive things under the Biden administration and in general for the housing market. To recap or answer the question, if the stock market and housing market are going to do good or bad under Joe Biden, right now the answer is good or very good. The stock market hit a record high on January 20th when Joe Biden was inaugurated of almost 32,000 on the Dow. And right now, the housing market plans in LA County to do 10% home sale price increase year over year. So yes, the answer to your question is good to very good. If you like the content you see, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so. I want to create content for you guys, so please comment below or contact me directly with the content you want to see moving forward. Thank you so much for coming by. Have a wonderful day.